Okay, 2 Tickets to Paradise by Eddie Money. That's the first little lead line. 6799 on the G string, so it's 776644 2. Bend the 4 and hold it. Same thing. 4 4, and then hammer on pull off 464 to the 2. So it comes in after the 2. So 1 2. Okay, and there's a harmony that goes with that. 1 2. Okay, so it also comes in after the 2 to match that up with the harmony. We got 9, 11, and 12. So 1 2. 12 12. 11 11. 9 9. 7 7. 6, and bend the 7 and hold it. 7 7. 7 9 7. Hammer on pull off to the 6. So one more time in that one. 1 2. Okay, then we get into the verse rhythm. We got so we got a G power chord, 3 and 5 up here. We have like a bump, 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 chicka chicka chunk chunk, an A. So you can kind of have some of those as like muted scratching hits, but I wrote out in the tab like bump, bump, da 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 dum dum da da dum dum da 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 dum dum. Let's see how some of them can be like kind of chicks. So it's got that galloping kind of a feel to it. Now that verse is going to go for a little bit, and then we're going to have this that waiting so long. So it's 7 and 6 on the G, 7 and then 7 to 5 on the D slide. Second time, just 7 7. Now that has a higher one that goes with it. 15 14 on the second string, 14 and then 14 to 12 on the G, and then 2 14s. Okay, and that first time it gets back into a verse. Okay, so we got that twice with the high one. Then we're into the chorus. We're going to have a D chord. We go. So that's G and A power chords. D major, G, A power chords. Just do that 4 times. Okay, and then we have the intro lead. We could add this one to it if you want. Okay, so that's the octave of this 6 7 one. C sharp, D, E, C sharp, D, E. So it's 14, 15, 17. 2 of those. So doubles on all those, you get the 14. Bend the 16. 2 16s, and then 16, 18, 16. So the 14 there. Then we're going to get into the lead. So the lead's going to start on this 9th fret of the G string. So you slide it into it, and you hit it again, and then you slide into it again. So it's Now this one we're gonna go 9 to 11 to the 10 on the second string, and we're trying to ring that 10 out and let it ring with this 11. And then we're gonna go. So see how I want that 10 to ring? So we have the hammer on, and then like a hammer on pull off. But we don't want to disturb the 10. We want to keep that ringing in the chord. So it's. This one we're going to go into the 11 on the G string with the middle finger. Hit 2 10s on the B string, back to the 11. So we have this lead-in thing. Quick hammer, 10 to 11, quick hammer, 10 to 11. So 2 of the same riff. So it's. Okay, so the new part is, so 2 bends on the 12 on the second string. Second one goes down to the 10 to the 11 on the G. And we have a pull off, 12, 10, back to that 11. 10, 12, bend the 12. Big bend there. So big one, and then kind of a regular bend. 12, 10, 11 to the 10. Bend the 12 again. Big bend on the little 12. So let's look at everything we got. So here we have big one and then 12, 10. Up and down on that one to the 10. Another pull off to the 11. Okay, so it's. Okay, so it's. And then we go 10, and then we go 2 of these like 3-note phrases to the 10. Then we have a 10, 11 real quick to the 9, another 9. So once again from the top we got. Now we're going to jump up here to the 14, 16 on the D. So hammer, hammer on pull off to the 16, pull off. So it's. And we answer that with. Do that riff twice, so that was. And then we're going to go. So it starts going, has a lead in, 2 notes, and then. So the fourth one, we don't go to the lowest note there. So going back just a little bit, we got. And then we're going to do this bend thing. So we bend the 16 up while we're hitting the 17 on the second string. 2 times, and then we answer that with ba-dum, ba-dum, bum. Okay, so timing is important on that one. And then we have 14, 16, 14, 16, bend it up, hit the little 17, so it's. And then we're gonna have. So up and down here, pull off, and then 16 to 16 on the D, back to that 14. Okay, then we're going to bend this 17. Then we take it down to the 14. Then we have 17, 16 on the G to 14. That's a triplet right there. So it's. We have a little bend, 16, 14, and then we're going to have. So da 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 dum bum bum. Okay, and then we have. We start getting into a riff that's 14, 16 to 14 on the G. ends with a bend on that one up to the 17, and that's 17 times through. You really got to kind of listen to the song and get used to it to pull that one off. We have fills heading towards the outro, so we're gonna have. So this one is 9 to 11 to the 10. Pull off 11 to 9 to 11 here. 9. Then we have one that goes. So hammer, 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 hammer. 9 on the D. Couple 7s. Wait a little bit. Do that one again. Could also be like a something like that. Now we just have a couple more fills. We're gonna have. So bend that one up and down. Then we have a. So bend the 10 on the second, 10, 7, up and down on the 9, pull off. Okay, then we have one more. This is going to go 3 times on this one. So we have 7 to 9, 7 to 9, then bend the 9. Hit the little 10. Do that a couple more times. And then at the very end, we're going to have this one more fill. 16 on the G, bending up, little 17. All right, 2 tickets to paradise. Hope you dug that. Pages of tabs on this. Talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.